I am Janet Cantrell with Radiant Realty, and this is KaryAnn Wilcox. And usually we're talking about market stats and home tours and neighborhood tours. But today we're pivoting a little bit because KaryAnn has started working with a new clientele, and I'm so excited about this. So KaryAnn, can you tell us a little bit about this niche and why you're so passionate about it?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm working now with women who are going through a major life transition, and anything from a divorce, possibly becoming a widow, things that are tough, things that are, hard to walk through. And I want to come alongside of them, and I really want to help them through that. It's been a passion of mine for a while. I not only have been through a pretty intense, painful custody battle, not only that, but in cosmetology, while I'm working with hair clients, I am seeing the numbers rise constantly with women who are going through these divorces or who have become widows. And they are at an extreme loss on what to do. A lot of them never worked or worked part-time and depended on their spouse's income to help kind of mediate. So they're really at a loss. And it's very important to me that I come alongside and I help in any way that I can.
So that's an interesting shift, because when you're talking about a loss or somebody that hasn't worked in a while, I would imagine that's going to be one of the biggest concerns at the forefront of their mind when they're looking to purchase a home or a condo or something, a new space to live in. So expound a little bit on that and how your process is different with these women.
When I am working with these women, I want to be extremely sensitive, knowing that they may have zero knowledge or they may have a full bag of it, but I just want to make sure that I'm sensitive to their needs financially and emotionally. It's very important to me. So I have created quite a team that I can recommend of people for them to find financially if they need help in a certain area, emotionally if they need help in a certain area, to kind of delegate and move things around so that they're taken care of.
Sure. So it's more obviously you bring a lot to the table, but you also have a team of people that can come alongside them for legal, financial, all of the things that might come up in the midst of this.
Yes, absolutely. And a team as far as I've got attorneys to counselors and therapists. I have financial advisors that can help, and I'm here on the real estate side. There's not always a good time that it's right to sell, but sometimes it is. Sometimes it's better to hold on to your house. It all just depends on your specific needs and what you're going through.
Sure. And it sounds like from personal experience, a lot of these resources have been helpful to you as well.
Yes, very.
Yeah. Well, KaryAnn, I am so proud to have you on the team, and I'm just excited about this passion that you have. If you or a woman you know is going through a transitional phase right now, a rebuilding period, KaryAnn is your lady. KaryAnn, you'll grab coffee, right?
Oh, I would love, if no pressure, please reach out if you are going through a tough transition. Let's get together, let's have a cup of coffee and just kind of talk about things and where I may be able to meet you and help you through this tough time.
Absolutely. And if you would like a free printable PDF with these next steps, you can comment with the word rebuild below, and we would love to assist with that. Have an amazing week, and we will see you guys next time.
Thank you, guys.